Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an About Me page for your blog or blog. This is essential for letting your readers know who you are and what your blog is all about, helping to build trust and connection with your audience. First, you'll want to navigate to blogger.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Blogger dashboard where all your blog management tools are located. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on Pages. This section is where you manage all the static pages on your blog, separate from your regular blog posts. After clicking Pages, you'll see an option on the left side again to click New Page. This will open up a blank page editor where you can start creating your About Me content. Now, input a title for your page. Something straightforward like About Me works perfectly and clearly tells visitors what they'll find there. Once you've added your title, move down to the content area and start writing about yourself. This is where you share your story, your interests, why you started blogging, and anything else that helps readers connect with you on a personal level. After you've finished crafting your content, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Publish. A confirmation dialog will appear, so go ahead and click Confirm to make your page live. Your About Me page is now created, but we need to make it visible to your readers by adding it to your blog's layout. On the left side of your dashboard, click Layout. This is where you control what appears on your blog and where it shows up. In the sidebar bottom section, click Add a Gadget. This will open a menu of different widgets you can add to your blog. From the options available, click Pages. This gadget will display links to your static pages. In the configuration window that opens, input a title such as About Me to label this section of your sidebar. You'll notice there's a homepage option already listed. Go ahead and remove this by unchecking it, as you likely don't need that link in this particular gadget. Next, click Add a New Item to manually add your newly created page. When the selection menu appears under Page Name, click the About Me page that we just created. After selecting it, click Save to confirm this addition. Then click Save again to finalize the gadget configuration and add it to your sidebar. Now, on the left side of your dashboard, click View Blog to see how everything looks on your live site. Give it a moment to load. You should now see your About Me link displayed in the left sidebar of your blog. Click on it to preview the page and make sure everything appears as you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully created and added an About Me page to your blog or blog, making it easy for visitors to learn more about you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.